Thanks so much Tina and Linda for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone. Today I'll be making 3 batches of my ocean bar recipe that I've been making, as you know, for a really long time. I was running a little bit low on these, so unfortunately it's been very humid here in Sydney. And usually I do nice swirls for these, even though it's an 80-20 Coconut Shea recipe with ocean water. It tends to still move quick, but it still gives me enough time to split and colour and do nice swirls. But I just wasn't able to do that this time. It just sets up really quick, even before adding the fragrance in, and just slightly blending. It just was a thick trace, so I had to do layers for all 3 of them, which is totally fine, but it's just very different from, you know, what I usually do with the ocean bars. So the first up is Cinnabreeze, and the second one will be Blooming Breeze. So Cinnabreeze is obviously has cinnamon, sweet orange, lavender, Petitgrain Peppermint and Cedarwood, and the Blooming Breeze, instead of the sweet orange and cinnamon, it has rose geranium. And then for the Sweet Breeze, which is the last one coming up, that I replace obviously the rose geranium with sweet fennel, which smells exactly like licorice. And of course these bars I keep completely natural and palm free, and also vegan, and I add coconut milk to these as well, just for extra skin benefits. I make my own coconut oil. I make my own coconut milk to the same way that I make the oat milk. I just add water 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 ratio to desiccated coconut, and I blend and I leave it there for a bit, and then I squeeze the milk, well, the coconut milk out, I guess, and then I freeze them for later use. So that's how I always do my coconut milk. So as you see here, it moved really fast, and I didn't anticipate the first one, which is this one, so it was a lot thicker than the other 2. The other 2 I realized what was happening, because this recipe usually generally behaves itself for the most part. I can get some swirls in, so I just had to roll with the punches, I guess, and I'm still happy with how they turned out. They turned out really good. Right, so I'm going to let you get back to the video and finish it, and these are obviously available for sale as per usual, so if you're wanting to purchase, go ahead and follow the links below or head to my website. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and stick around. Thank you very much, and watch out for the next video. Cheers, bye.